I'm Phoebe Tudor Godinez, your Bini 26 from Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.
Hey, wow. Very
Ang ganda
confident.
nun. May nabasa akong comment sa isa sa ating post sa Facebook. Actually, sa TikTok actually yon. Sabi niya, lahi ragyod ang tubig diri Cebu. Like, hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Junaid.
I'm Miley.
Ayan, so for today's vlog ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction video, content reaction video lang sa isa sa ating mga delegates for the Binibining Pilipinas 2024, the 60th edition. And this time, it's Binibini number 26 from Lapu-Lapu, Cebu. That's Phoebe Godinez. And
Let's
panoorin
go.
na natin to.
Mayang adlaw, I'm Phoebe Tudor Godinez, your Bini 26 from Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu.
Hey, wow. Very
Ang ganda
confident.
nun. And may nabasa akong comment sa isa sa ating post sa Facebook. Actually, sa TikTok actually yon. Sabi niya, lahi ragyod ang tubig diri Cebu. Like,
Iba.
anong klaseng tubig ang meron sa Cebu? Ang gaganda.
Feeling ko Evian.
Bo?
Tsare.
The first thing that comes to my mind is holistic, because as a Bini, I'm happy that we are going through multiple trainings and workshops and also engaging ourselves in charity. So we are growing our beauty from the inside to the outside and establishing ourselves as proper Binibinis and women.
Very literal yung take niya about Binibini. So, she's pertaining to Binibining Pilipinas as a candidate, as a Binibini, as part of the organization, parang gano'n. And I like the word na ginamit niya na holistic. Kumbaga, hindi lang siya nakafocus into one aspect. Kasi, a certain structure or isang structure, kailangan holistically working together or else it will not withstand whatever struggles.
Which is parang kudos to her for bringing this up kasi minsan nakikita natin ang pageantry, face card, body card lang, or rampa lang, pasarela lang, or question and answer lang. Pero meron ding mga ibang bagay na kailangan din nilang i-train para maging holistic na tinatawag.
3 interesting facts about me. I am an avid video gamer. If I could, I'd play for 12 hours and immerse myself in rich storytelling video games and play as a character that engages in epic combat. The second fact about myself is that I love true crime and horror. I know to others it may seem scary, but for some reason it helps me relax and it helps me sleep as well. My third and last fact is I have tried pole dancing. Not in the way that you think, but as a way for me to exercise, and it really helped me gain confidence and love my body.
She's not a typical woman na parang pang girly-girly lang yung ginagawa niya. Parang she's interesting.
This is a perfect word to identify her or describe her. Very interesting siya. Lalo na parang hindi siya traditional na yung beauty, brainy, parang gano'n. She's a gamer. Kumbaga, geek.
My advocacy is to promote the culture of humanitarianism. I want to inspire and empower individuals to act on issues where they feel strongly they should act. And if we were to promote generosity and compassion, I believe that all our little efforts will lead into one big, great change for society.
Wow.
For more updates.
That's very genuine, and it's something that we need right now. For me kasi parang ang hirap i-convince yung ibang tao. Siguro there are some who will believe in you kung ano yung gusto mong gawin or kung ano yung gusto mong pinaniniwalaan. Pero sometimes kasi ang daming tao sa paligid na medyo negative, ganyan. Ang payo ko na lang sa kanya, bilang kaibigan. Hindi, I mean, kung meron kang ganong advocacy, yung humanitarianism, push mo lang, go lang ng go. Kasi yung pag-iisip kasi ng ibang tao, kung ayaw nilang maniwala sa'yo or kung ano yung pinaglalaban mo, kung anong ginagawa mo, ang hirap nung baguhin. So, kumbaga, yung focus ka dun sa kung ano yung goal mo, kung ano yung advocacy mo, huwag kang magpa-apekto dun sa ayaw maniwala sa'yo, parang ganun lang.
Oo. So, ito yung kaibahan na yung parang advocacy na kaya mong gawin sa sarili mo, tsaka advocacy na kailangan mong involve yung maraming tao, kumbaga. Pero at some point, nagigets ko rin, gusto ko rin yung perspective niya na hindi siya nag-focus sa isa kasi meron, or specific, kasi mga iba-ibang tao may mga kanya-kanyang mga ano yan, gustong gawin sa buhay. So, ang sinasabi niya, it all boils down to generosity. Na if you feel like helping, giving, or being kind, just do it.
So yan guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan nyo naman kami sa nagdaan reaction video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayun guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming, so keep watching us in the next video. Bye!